Hi, my name's Ed. Please subscribe. It's totally free to do so, and tap that thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks. Enjoy. I just spooked some more fish too. Bringing him in. Let me back up. There's more fish here. Oh, that's a striper. It's a little striper. Ah, top water. The top water bite, fellas. Okay, let's do this the right way. Sure. Oh, he hit it again. Oh, I pulled it out. Pulled it, dude. Good, I threw it right in the freaking dirt. Hope I don't pick nothing up, because it'll stop my popper from working. Right around here. Oh, there he goes, damn. Dude, right when I said, oh, he's still on it. He's still on it. It's freaking insane. I'm in a bad spot because if I catch a fish right next to this bridge, chances are I'll lose them on the bridge. Damn, man, I'd hate to go right over them right here. It's exactly where they were hanging out, man. Oh, right there, dude. Right there. Right there, dude. Right there. Right there. Right there. Dude, that was sick. Did I pick that blow up on? Sick. Right there, dude. Did I pick that? Dude, I wonder if I got that blow up. I wonder if I got that blow up. Holy. Look at that. Look at that. Sweet. On top water. What a fun way to catch these bass. Come on. Dude, that was sick. Another striper. And that looks like a slot. That is a slot. All right, folks, this looks like another keeper. I'm going to go ahead and measure it, and if he is, I'm going to keep this one and leave these bass alone. I was out tog fishing earlier, so I'm pretty tired. If you like the video, don't forget to tap that thumbs up icon. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It's totally free to do so. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed and stay hooked, anglers. See you on the next one. 28.5 inches.